This is the melting show. This is the melting video because all the ice will melt. From the fire, it will melt. In the pot, it can reach in the fire. It's by the fire and it will melt. So, this is an experiment and I will try to do every day. But I won't take the video. But this experiment has taken for ice. Because the ice is by the fire and the fire is by the ice. The fire is going to get by the ice and the ice will melt. I have 3 ice cubes and they will melt. After when we get back from church, they may be already melted. Or they may be already melted before we get back from church. They may get melted before we go to church. So we'll see if they melted after church. So we will see if it did. The ice cubes seem to look like they are melting. One looks like it's melting. All of them are not melting. The pot is filled with water, which those ice cubes, when they melt, they will make water. So, I need you to stand back. What happened is the ice melted. From the fire to the ice, it already melted. So we didn't have to come home from church to see if it already melted. It just melted on itself. Before we came home from church or before we went to church. We thought we were going to come home when it melted already. Well, it's hot and there's a pot. The ice was in the pot and the fire came to the pot and the ice was melted. That's why we put the pot right here and the fire there. It would come out here. The fire is from here, which is right here. And it came out from these little squares right here. And the ice was in that pot. The ice was in the pot, and then the fire went into the pot, came to the pot, and it melted.